Hey y'all, it's your girl Oh So Lovely. I'm back with another video for you guys. So today I'm doing an updated flawless soft glam routine. Oh, I have new things to show you guys. I do my makeup so differently now. So I'm going to give you guys an updated routine. So I'm going to start by doing my eyebrows off camera. Come back with my eyebrows done and we're going to get into the look. Alright y'all, so I got my eyebrows on. I want to get into an eyeshadow look, something real, you know, soft glam, of course. We'll see where the Lord takes me because I don't know, I don't have like a look in mind, so I'm just gonna go with the flow. Holy Ghost lead. Okay y'all, so I think I'm done with the eyes. So now I'm going to draw my wing. I'll start in the middle of my eye because I suck at drawing liner. So actually let me zoom in. So now I'm just gonna go in with primer. I use the e.l.f. poreless putty primer. Now I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip. Before I get into anything, I'm gonna use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop shade, very like red undertone, so it helps cancel out my smile lines, any dark marks, mustache, all that good stuff. So now I'm gonna go in with the Estee Lauder foundation in the shade Rich Java, and I mix this with the Nars in the shade Nambia. So now we're gonna go on with, of course, the same Can't Stop Won't Stop shade in Cappuccino, and of course I'm just gonna conceal all the parts that I usually do. Alright y'all, so now that I did the base, I'm gonna go in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop again, but this time this shade is caramel. I'm just gonna go right under my eye with it. And I only put it right under my eye, on my chin, and on my forehead. To go in with my Makeup Revolution. Don't talk about my dirty Makeup Revolution contour. The base is looking good, y'all. Put down the brushes and go back to the beauty blender. Look at my skin. Look at the base. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution in the darkest shade F18 and contour my cheeks out. my forehead, chin, jawline. And the thing about it is it's very, very warm. It's also kind of, I still like, it's more like a bronzer kind of, but I still want to contour. Like, I need that dark. So I'm also going with my Fenty right under it in the shade Caviar, which is also the darkest shade, and still contour out right behind it. So this will give a perfect gradient. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline. It's about done and done, but of course I have a backup because who doesn't? Maybelline shade Warm Olive. This is the Instant Age Rewind, and indeed it's an Instant Age Rewind. So I'm just gonna go right under my eye. Forehead and chin. And that's it. Then with this one as well, I take the Can't Stop Won't Stop shade in Caramel and go literally one dot, like so, just like that. Let's do a little blushy blush. Blush just a little bit more. Oh, I didn't even show you the blush. Whatever. I used the e.l.f. Putty blush because I don't know why it's not focusing. I'm gonna go into the True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance, and I'm going to use the middle shade. So I'm also gonna go into the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, and then I'm gonna use the, you already know, brown shade in here to bronze. So I'm gonna go with the Revolution, Makeup Revolution blush in Peach Bliss. I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Black Coffee. Black liner to put it in my waterline. Alright, so now I'm gonna spray my face. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna do my lip now. My caviar Fenty matchstick, and use this precise brush and line my lip with it. So now that my lip is lined, I'm gonna go in with this. So I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl, I was about to say LA Girl Pro Concealer. LA Girl nude lipstick, flat velvet lipstick in the shade, I know the shade, I'm Carried Away. Carried Away. So then I go with my other matchstick. This one is shade Espresso, and then I line on top of it. So okay, so we're gonna go in with some highlighter. Y'all know me, I'm not big on highlighter, so just a little bit, nothing crazy. I'm gonna go into my Juvias Place Blush Palette in the volume 1. Alright, y'all, time to spray. Now I'm gonna go in with some gloss, because y'all know I'm a glossy girl. The key to not messing up your lippy is you have to get a lot of gloss on your thing. So if there's not a lot of gloss, keep adding more, because if it's dry, it's just gonna spread everything. So I'm just gonna go in and touch up my eyeshadow. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. Yes, y'all, this is giving like everything it needs to give. Anyways, y'all, everything I use will be in the description below, of course. I hope you guys follow through. I hope you guys use my tutorial. If you guys are struggling, use my tips and tricks, of course. Everything will be in the description, so if you use me as a reference, you can use all the shades I use as well. I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for continuing to watch the videos. You guys know how it goes. More content for you guys is coming. Makeup, hair, vlogs, everything is coming out for you guys, so stay tuned. I hope you guys love this look. I love this look because of course I got pink on my lid. I think it's a very soft glam, very stick to your skin color, very pop where it needs to pop, very not doing too much, not doing too little, you know. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll catch you guys in the next vid. Peace.